Welcome back. So in the last video I showed you how to build the home page. In this video we'll be building the about page for this website. So from the WordPress dashboard, the pages section, I'll click add new, open a new tab. Call this about. Then edit with Elementor. Remember, the first thing you want to do is to click on Elementor full width to expand the page to the full, to make it fill the screen. Okay, so from here we want to add a new section. So click this plus button and I'll click this first one, and I will just, mind you, I can just come to the home page and copy anything I want from it. So I'll copy this. I want to use this, copy, and I can paste it just in here. It's there. So I'll just put a background image, use background just like we did in the home page the other time. You can use this, you can use any image. Of course, let me just give it some padding, top and bottom. Sorry, padding. Say 5 and 5, and I want this to be called about us, simply put. So I would like to give this a little more padding, top and bottom. Then I want my image to be position center, and I want it to be default node repeat. Then I want it to cover. Yeah. Okay, so also I want to give this a little, I didn't show you this in the home page, so let me quickly show you overlay. Click classic, and I want to put some darkness, like a little touch of black, so that my text can be very clear. I can make this lighter, can make it darker. So I want to keep it in this range for now. So just a little arrow just before someone sees more about the about us section. Like I was showing you earlier, you can copy whatever you want from here, like we've created here, and just duplicate it in that in the home page. I mean the about us section. I want to build a mission and vision just before we talk about the company. So I'll copy this section and I will paste it here. Then I want to delete this because just 2 sections I need. Then I want to quickly do something here just before I edit it. I want to make this, instead of black, make it white. And then the border, I want to give it some box shadow just to make it, since our background is white, if nobody will know that this is a box if I don't do something like this. Now see what happens. It makes this clear, it makes it stand out by adding box. If I remove this, it goes back to default. If I add it again, it comes out. Now the text I want to call, the content I want them to be black since the background is white. So the content is white and black, and then the icon is also black. And this vision, let's use icons that speak to them. Let's say we use eyes just for the purpose of this course. You can use whatever you like. Let's use this vision, and then mission. You can use a man running just to show. Yeah, just, you can, like I said, you can use whatever you want. So let's copy some text from here. Mission, let's copy this. Then just paste it here. Remember we didn't style this the other time, so let's style it properly now. Content white, then I want it to be popping, of course. and keep this is okay. So let's keep this at the bottom. Then let's do the same for you. Let's copy some text here. Our vision is this. Okay, about us. So I'm gonna paste this in the description. Then start this lag typography properties. So I want to give the section true. Yeah. So here we have it. I want this to shrink together. I think there is too wide, so I'll use the padding of this section because I want to work inside the section. Like I said, margin is for outside the section you are working on, while padding is for inside the section. So I want to give this 20 right, 20 left, just to make this a little more compact. Let me see how it looks when I expand the screen. Still looks wide in my opinion, so I'll give this 30. There are different ways to go about this, but this is how I like to achieve mine. So I think I like this now. I think it's compact enough, so I'm good with this. Then I will, don't worry, we'll still do more styling. We'll look at how this works on mobile, make it responsive in later videos. So paste this here. I want to write about us here. So we are slowly getting a feel of our about us section. I want to increase the margin top for this too to have more space. Then I'll copy the full text which we didn't put completely on the home page. And just copy it to this point, paste it. Obviously we don't need this button anymore because there's no need to take them away from here. Now you can see that this text, this picture looks like the text is more, is more, this section is more than the section on the right is more than the section on the left. So we want this picture to be central. So first of all, let's remove the padding top here. And then I want this picture to be central. So I'll come and I'll click this section and I'll say vertical line. I want it to be in the middle. Anything inside should be in the middle. So this can sit like this. It's looking better this way. Now if you open this, you see that the picture is sitting in the middle with the content, and then it's looking better than when it was just default. And mind you, can put this top, go stop, you can put this bottom. Yeah, so we need to get about us section set up. Now I want us to write all of this content that we didn't put on the home page. You can put them on this about page, all these white choosers, all this write up which we didn't put, but I will copy from here. I'll pick them from here, copy this, then I will paste it here. But rather than have them in fours, I will let me just copy this and paste, then copy this. So this is the beauty of WordPress. You can copy and paste sections rather than creating them afresh. Yeah, so I will just copy this. Instead, just get this my mission here, my mission experience, set of custom solutions. I will call this, instead of vision, I call this custom solutions. Then we can delete this. Also this. Now, yeah, this. So now, is because I wanted to carry the same thing. P paste, P, paste. Now I want it to be black, white, black, white. If you don't get this, you can just take your time and go over it again. It's very easy. What I did was just copy this, and then instead of pasting it, I just paste the style. So whatever style this carries, it just reflects on this. Since I want black and white, white here, so I just copied this, copied and pasted the style. So whatever style this carries, this now carries it. So let's copy the text from here, from the right up. For excellence, says this to see experience. Sorry. For custom solutions, also for results driven, then for support, paste it here. Now I want to copy the styling for this and paste for this too, so we can have some space at the bottom. So it's looking good, but there's something we missed. We didn't copy because we didn't copy this. So let's just copy this, copy and paste it up here, so they can also see why I choose us down here. Now this is looking so far. Let's close this so you can see how good it looks. So scroll down, see we are getting somewhere. But on this page, I want them to also have a way to go to the contact page. So I'll create a first section here and put this in the first section. Give it some space in the top. Let me give this more space. I don't want the black section I want to create inside here to span till from the beginning to the end of it. If I were to do this and just style this and give this background type black, it will span from here to here, but that's not what I want. I want to create something that will sit inside the section and not span till the end. So I'll bring in an inner section into this parent section and just instead make this the black section. I mean the black color. Just like this. This is what I wanted. Now I want to give it some border radius of 7. Then I want to copy this. Background is black, so we can have some contrast. And I want to say get Dutch. Yep. Reduce this to 3, just something small. Also, I can copy this button, copy, paste it in here. Then, because I want contrast, I'll make this the white, then the color black, just like what I wanted. I want this to be aligned, so I'll put this in the middle. I want it to go far, so keep this far. Now I want this to have spaces to their left and to the right of this, so I'll click on this inner section and then I'll come to the padding. Like I said, padding is within, so I'll say give me 5 padding to the right and 5 for this. Let's do 10 so they come closer together. 10. Also I want space top, so 5. And 5 is too much. Let's do 2. Maybe we can do 1. Let's do 1 button. Let's do 2. So this is exactly what I wanted. Just so that from here somebody can also click and go to the contact page. So I'll call this, copy this, just the URL, paste it in the links in the link bar and say contact. So when they click this button, just call this contact us. So when they click this button, it takes them to the contact page. So we need to give some space to the bottom. So I will give it some margin to the bottom. Let's say 7. See how it looks. So we're good. So this is the about us section page. From here down here, and we are able to create something good. I don't know what you think, but you can add your own touch and feel and get more creative. But then for now, we'll pause here. Don't forget to publish, and we're good to go. In the next video, we'll be creating the contact us page. So see you.